Konnichiwa. If you interest in learn Japanese, then join us today. Welcome to Learn Japanese with Ease, your ultimate destination for mastering the Japanese language. Whether you're an absolute beginner or looking to take your Japanese skills to the next level, this is the channel for you. Get your burning questions answered by our experienced language instructors during live QA sessions. Join our thriving community of learners from around the world. Share your progress, make friends, and support each other on your Japanese journey. We're more than just a channel, we are a community of Japanese language enthusiasts. Join us, and together, we will conquer the language and culture of Japan. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock the secrets of Japan. Whether it's for travel, business, or pure passion, Learn Japanese with Ease is your gateway to a world of possibilities. Subscribe now and start your journey with Jaibir, Deepika, Chhillar, and Himanshi from now onwards. Just open YouTube on Google and search Deepika Chhillar. You will find the channel name and subscribe it. Once you subscribe, you will be able to find all the videos of Japanese language learning and all are free of cost. Guys, don't wait and let's start the great journey of Japanese language learning.